In this video, I am going to show you how to watch live football on YouTube TV with HBO. If you're looking to combine live sports and premium entertainment, this guide will help you make the most of your subscription. Let's get started. To access live football and HBO on YouTube TV, start by subscribing to YouTube TV at tv.youtube.com. During sign-up or in your account settings, add the HBO Max Premium add-on for an additional fee. Once your subscription is active, download the YouTube TV app on your device or access it via the website. Log in and browse the channel lineup to find live football games on ESPN, Fox, CBS, or NBC. You can also switch to HBO Max within the app to enjoy exclusive sports documentaries, analysis shows, and other premium content. If this video helped you learn how to watch live football on YouTube TV with HBO, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.